everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I want to discuss the penny stocks, especially to show the pattern of penny stocks charts. The reason I wanted to show this because there are many, beginner investors who wants to buy a very cheap stock and want to hit the gold mine, you know, to buy penny stocks, and lots of them, and then want to become rich. Penny stocks have a specific pattern. What you see on the screen, even though this stock had spiked, from $10 to $60, uh, this pattern actually shows a classical penny stock chart pattern. That's something that doesn't do anything and then suddenly spikes, goes up crazy, and then falls down and drops and then goes up and then falls down, kind of like that. So this stock pattern is a classical penny stock pattern, even though this stock doesn't seem to be, penny stocks. Penny stocks are considered anything that is, let's say, between 1 cents and $5 or below would be considered a penny stocks. Even some people would call it $10 would be considered a penny stocks, right? So in this video, I want to show you few stock pattern and I'll make some prediction in the morning what will happen to the stocks, and then I'll also share what happened to them at the end of the trading day. Once you watch the video, you will see a very typical pattern for all of the different penny stocks, and then how they spike up, how they go down, how they go up, and then whether you can make money or not, it is up to you. But at least being aware of the pattern could help you with your trading journey. That's my goal. Let's get right into it. Right now, time is 7:34 a.m. and you can see there are a few stocks here are very active. This one, DXF, 209% up, 7 o'clock in the morning. This stock back symbol, 96% up. YIBO, 82% up. So then, and the volume, if you look at the volume, they've already traded like 17 million, 40 million, 90 million, shares. So when something trades at a high volume early in the morning and moving up like this, these stocks I have seen what happens. They can also go up 200, 300, even 1,000%. So, but the what is also true, they also come down pretty drastically. I've seen yesterday YIBO, this stock went up to like $20 and then now it's trading at a $5.57. So it can really go either direction. And if you're really doing trading with these stocks, you have to be very, very careful. Okay. So what I wanted to check is what is the pattern associated with these stocks. So on my screen, you can see I got a whole bunch of stocks that recently spiked up big time in the morning. So this is the ZKIN. It's an 89.90 stocks. This one is not too bad. It has been trading in that range for the whole year, between 40 cents and let's say 90 cents, in that range. Very narrow band, right? Uh, this guy here, back this morning, it is one of those stock that is trading at 161. It was yesterday somewhere in 50 cents. But again, this one is, you can say it's been trading in that $1, range. But at some point it was in the middle of the year, went all the way up to let's say $7.75. It went up to that much, right? So there's a possibility it can spike up. Let's take a look at DXF. So this guy, DXF, today it's trading at $26. Few days ago it was almost $0. What was it? It's like $2.50, $2.30. But then it went to up to $36 the other day, and then it's been trading in that range. But at some point, this stock was up to $200, in somewhere around February 2024. So this is crazy, right? There's a high spiking volume right here, um, and and then look at this guy, YBIO. That's the one I was talking about at the beginning of this video. It's been trading like around $3 range, but yesterday it went all the way up to $19, and then right now it's trading at 557. Who knows what's going to happen today? And then let's look at TC. This is now trading at $1.09, but it went yesterday up to $2 in here. So this could be spiking up. You can see a high volume here, 25 million shares already traded. So this is the one probably to watch today. This is the pharmaceuticals. The stock has been sort of sliding. It was $35 at the beginning of 2024. It went down to, what is it, $2, and then it spiked up to $10. Now it's trading at 5.93. So it looks like this is consolidating. It's going to hover around this area. Let's take a look at another one. ALUR, same pharmaceutical stocks. Was a, oh my goodness, look at this. At one point it was $98, and then it went to $88, and then came down to basically $2.82, and then spiked up to 1685, and then it's trading right now at 637. So if you don't have guts, don't even think about these stocks. RNA AZ, similar pattern here, but this one is a little bit more consistent. Seems like there's a good news. It spiked up all the way up to $60, and then dropped. Came back. Now maybe there was a drug failure right here, and then went back up. Now it's down to $6.61, but the other day it went up all the way to $12.43 right here. Holo, another one, nothing going on pretty much. This stock, look at this, how much money it has lost. It was a $2,000 worth of stock in February 2024. Right now it's at $2 per share. Um, MLGO, there was one point in the middle of 2024, this stock in June went up to $509. Obviously, um, share split adjusted. Right now it's $1.90. How about this guy, JZ? Nothing going on, but then yesterday it spiked all the way up to $20, trading from the range was between what is it, $12 to $20, and today right now it's trading at $13. So who knows what will happen? It could go up to 20 or it could go up to 6. ONCO, there's another one I saw was spiking and halting, and here it is at a 54 cents right now, but it has been trading. It was at 13. Let's see, what was it highest here? $21 at some point. And then AKRO, this one spiked up, almost doubled in one day, 25 to $57, and then now it's $51. So these stocks are showing some kind of a pattern. They have huge spike followed by drop, and then they continue to show volatility. Now, if you want to get into this guy's kind of stuff, you have to be really on the computer looking at what's happening with them as you are watching them. You can't just buy and leave. You have to take action pretty immediately. So I'm gonna play with check with this today. This YBIO and the TC looks to be, especially TC, seems to be spiking up here, and with the huge volume in the morning. So there's a chance of this is probably going to go up to $2. And then EVAX, another one consolidating, might go up. Um, so be careful what you when you work with them. So RNA AZ, I think that's the one also looks to be promising here. Um, so TC, RNA AZ, I think these are the two I see are potential for um, trading. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop this video here. Let's see what the stocks look like in terms of price. So YBIO this morning, it went all the way up to $6.25. Right now it's 5.32, but it can spike pretty quickly again. ZKIN, where is TC? TC is right here, 11% up right now, but it can spike up during the day. So with that, let's stop this for now and see what happens during the day on these stocks. So this part of the video is after the close of the trading day today. This morning, I went through, I basically created a video for some of the penny stocks. I wanted to show the different patterns, and I had some theory which stock might go up, which stock might go down, etc. So here is the result. So what actually happened? One of the stock that I had predicted that could potentially spike up is this RNAAZ, because this stock had this spike during the year. It was up, then it went down, it was up, went down, but then there has been a lot of volatility here. So this morning when I looked through this stock, I predicted that this might go up. So exactly what happened today. Let me just show you, looking at the minute chart. So here's what happened in today is January 28th. So this traded between, let's call it $10.97 all the way. It went up to pretty much 16.73, and then traded a little bit there and then continued to slide back down to 9.90. So if you want to trade with this kind of stock, you really have to have the guts. I mean, who has the stomach for this? Something that go from $10 to $16 and then come back to $10 again. That is crazy. Now, the other stock that I had predicted might go up was TC. So what did this one do? Uh, let's take a look at the minute candles. So here you can see it basically throughout the day, it continued to go up, 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 up. I mean, it's not a huge change from 95 cents to $1.15. And my prediction is that given the pattern has been consistently going up and it closed with a green candle at the end of the day, it is probably going to continue to go up in the next few days. So something to look for, watch out for. Now, having said that, what happened to the rest of them? So here is DXF. Let's see what happened. DXF during the day. Yeah, it was spiking in the morning, but then it kind of to went all the way up to what? It went all the way up to $27 and then went down to 17, 16 something, $17, and then it closed up around $21. Crazy, 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 right? So what about this guy? YIBO. I predicted it might have a wild day. Uh, it didn't have that wild of a day, but it still did somewhat wild day. You can see here it went up all the way in the morning to what was it, 522, I think, and then it really dropped big time, came down to almost $4 here, and then by the end of the day ended up closing at 515. I mean, can you stomach this? If you do, get into it, but my suggestion would be don't. And then the other stock that I predicted might go up was potentially EVAX. I was totally wrong. It actually kind of crashed at the end of the day. So here is what happened here. It started out um, around $5.20 during the day. Some point it actually went down to $4 something. What is it? 432. Went back up and then closed the day around 4:30. It might continue to slide. So these guys are very unpredictable. Here is Hollow. What did this one do? Um, Started out in the morning, dropped a bit, 178. Then look what happened here. It went to $2 and then closed the day around 195. But one thing is it did close with a lots of green candle. That means the momentum will probably continue going forward. The reason I wanted to share this is because these penny stocks can move very quickly, and if people can play them correctly, you can make money. But most people don't. I don't personally can time them correctly. I would either buy it here, sell it here, and probably get scared of this going high up here, and then buy it here and ended up selling at the loss. Um, so my if you are gonna get into penny stock trading, my ask would be very, very careful because they can move very quickly. If you can do it right, you could multiply your money with one stock, but 9 out of 10 times people lose money. I do at least. So my ask would be, you know, stay um, out of them and trade with lots of good stocks out there available. These are not worth the headache. Hopefully, this video kind of gave you some insight into what the penny stock, chart pattern look like, and if you can master them, maybe you want to give it a try. But if you are a feeble-hearted, um, this is not for you. All right. If you found um, anything useful in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.